everyone, with Olia Molia Soul in here. Today I would like to show you the textbooks that I use for teaching beginner and survival Korean. Okay, so first of all, I would like to recommend this textbook. It's 즐거운 한국어. The publisher is Hawu Publishing. Alright. Why I like to use these textbooks? Because for beginners, you need to see 글씨. You need to see written in a big letters, right? And it has the big letters like this. So start from mium, biub, and mium, biub, and then how to say this, and then some vocabularies, and then they have also conversation at the back. So these books are pretty clean because I have been using these textbooks online, not offline. So pretty clean and yeah. But I like to use this, and I think it's pretty easy to learn by using these textbooks. And next is the Canada Korean. I have the one in elementary, but guys, even though this is elementary one, it's not that, easy for beginner. You have to master the letters, the Korean letters first, and then after that go to here. So this is the workbook. Let me show you. At the beginning, it's easy. It's just writing. But they go to 문법. The 문법 is like this. Right? Okay. 언니가 있습니까? Where is 언니 here? 남동생 있습니까? Is the brother here? And stuff like that. So Canada Korean, they have many levels. So far I only have one, but if my students need, then I will of course purchase another one. Okay, so for grammar, I'd like to recommend this book, Korean Grammar in Use Beginning by Darak-won. So this one basically covers all the Korean grammars, and it has exercise. For example, this one, 무아오요 지 못해요. 저는 수영을 못해요, and stuff like this. And then there's an exercise like how to use this, how to change from the base form with the grammar. And there's a simple exercise at the back. And in these textbooks, they classified all the functions, okay? They classified all the functions. For example, this one. Let's see this one. Can you see? Number 14. Background information and explanations. 뭐뭐는데, 뭐뭐니까. Right? Like that. Okay. So how about if you already masters these three books? Let's move on, alright? This one. Sogang. Sogang 한국어. Sogang 한국어, just like Korean Canada, they have many series. They have many series. This one is 1A, and then they have 1B, 2A, and etc. etc. I like to use Sogang 한국어, Sogang textbooks, because it's based on a real life situation. You can always apply what's in here to the real life. And it's pretty simple and effective, right? So for example, what's there? What's this? 저게 뭐예요? 볼펜이에요, and stuff like that. And they have like the vocabularies and how to say it. And these books, it's more like for daily conversation, to real situation and survival, not for a test, because the language they use is less formal but very effective. This one is formal. 뭐뭐입니다, 뭐뭐입니까. Alright, which is like Koreans hardly ever use in a real reality, right? And this one is Alin 한국어. Thank you very much for a Wing Kitchen to let me have these textbooks. This one is 중급. So actually this is for intermediate, but it's very different than to do a topic test because it's the same as Sogang. It's more to the real situation. Let me show you. For example, in here, 한국 생활. 좀 보세요. Let's see. 한국 생활, and then they have this one. Like 수조를 사용합니다. 상을 차리다. 이불을 펴다. Which one is correct? Right? So, and the conversation. It's really good for speaking. So this textbook is dedicated, these two textbooks dedicate for a real life situation, survival, and speaking. And meanwhile, this is more about what? Grammar for sure. And you can pass topic level 1 by learning these textbooks and also by exercising, practicing on the real test of a topic 1. Alright everyone, so that's all.